Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best spinning reels. That will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. KastKing MegaTron 6000 Spinning Reel. Color: black. Weight: 0.52 kilograms. Category: freshwater and saltwater spinning reel. If you're looking for a spinning reel that brings serious power with a very distinctive design, the KastKing MegaTron 6000 is definitely worth a closer look. What immediately makes this reel different is its rigid aluminum skeletal frame. It has a bold geometric look, but the design is also built around strength and reduced weight. At 0.52 kilograms, it offers a solid metal construction without feeling unnecessarily bulky. The MegaTron is designed for both freshwater and saltwater spinning, making it a versatile option for anglers who want one reel for different fishing situations. Inside, it uses a zinc alloy main gear, a brass pinion gear, and a CNC machined aluminum spool. The aluminum handle also adds to the reel's sturdy feel. One of the biggest highlights is the triple-disc carbon fiber drag system, rated for over 30 pounds of maximum drag. That gives this reel plenty of stopping power when dealing with strong fish. The 7+1 stainless steel bearing system is designed to keep the retrieve smooth, while the instant anti-reverse helps with quick hook sets. The main limitation is that this is a relatively substantial reel, so anglers wanting an ultralight setup may prefer something smaller. Overall, the KastKing MegaTron 6000 looks like a strong choice for anglers who want a powerful, durable spinning reel with a unique design and serious drag performance. Number 4. KastKing Spartacus 21000 Spinning Reel. Color: striker green. Weight: not officially specified. Category: freshwater and saltwater spinning reel. For anglers who prefer a lighter spinning setup but still want plenty of strength, the KastKing Spartacus 21000 offers an interesting combination of size, protection, and drag power. This reel uses a reinforced graphite body and rotor, which helps keep the overall design lightweight while maintaining a durable construction. The striker green finish also gives it a distinctive look that stands out from more traditional fishing reels. One of the most useful features is KastKing's KISS water-resistant design. The spool, rotor, and body are designed to help keep water and dirt away from important internal areas. That can be especially helpful when fishing in challenging conditions, including saltwater environments and cold weather situations. The Spartacus 2 delivers up to 22 pounds of drag through a triple-disc carbon fiber system. It also includes 7+1 stainless steel shielded ball bearings, a brass pinion gear, Hamei-cut precision gears, and a ceramic line roller. Together, these features are designed to provide smooth operation and dependable performance. The size 1000 model is a compact option, so anglers targeting larger fish may want to consider a larger reel size in the same series. Overall, the KastKing Spartacus 21000 looks like a practical choice for anglers who want a lightweight spinning reel with strong drag performance, water-resistant design, and a unique appearance. Number 3. Fishdrops Rhino 1000 Spinning Reel. Color: metal gray. Weight: 7.84 ounces. Category: freshwater and saltwater spinning reel. When a spinning reel needs to be quick, lightweight, and responsive, the Fishdrops Rhino 1000 brings together several features designed for exactly that kind of fishing. This compact reel weighs just 7.84 ounces, making it a comfortable option for lighter setups and longer fishing sessions. Its aluminum and nylon construction keeps the design lightweight, while the CNC machined aluminum spool and handle add a more durable feel where it matters most. The 6.2:1 gear ratio is one of the reel's biggest advantages. It provides a fast retrieve, which can be useful when working lures that require quick movement or when you need to rapidly pick up slackline after a strike. For fighting fish, the reel is designed with a carbon drag system offering up to 22 pounds of maximum drag according to the product description. It also features a 7+1 stainless steel bearing system and instant anti-reverse for smoother operation and quick hook sets. The Rhino is designed for both freshwater and inshore saltwater use, but proper cleaning and care are still important after saltwater fishing. Also, the compact 1000 size is better suited to lighter fishing applications than heavy-duty situations. Overall, the The Fishdrops Rhino looks like a lightweight and fast-retrieve spinning reel for anglers who want portability, smooth operation, and solid drag capability in a compact package. Number 2. KastKing Sharky 3000 Spinning Reel. Color: 5.2:1 Sharky 3. Weight: 15 ounces. Category: Freshwater and Saltwater Spinning Reel. If you want a spinning reel that combines strong drag performance with a surprisingly lightweight design, the KastKing Sharky 3000 is built with some impressive features for both freshwater and saltwater anglers. The reel uses a fiber-reinforced graphite body and rotor, helping keep the weight at 15 ounces. That makes it easier to handle during longer fishing sessions, while the oversized stainless steel main shaft adds extra strength for demanding situations. The standout feature is the triple-disc carbon fiber drag system, rated for up to 39.5 pounds of maximum drag. That gives the Sharky 3 serious power when you're dealing with strong fish. The precision manganese brass pinion gears are designed to support smooth and durable operation. KastKing also includes its KISS water-resistant design, which helps protect the spool, body, and rotor from water and dirt. The 10+1 double-shielded stainless steel bearing system is saltwater-rated and designed for a smooth retrieve. Another useful touch is the braid-ready aluminum spool, which can make braid setup more convenient without requiring backing line. The instant anti-reverse also helps provide quick hook sets. The 3000 size offers a good balance of portability and capability, although anglers targeting very large fish may prefer a larger reel size. Overall, the Sharky 3000 looks like a versatile spinning reel for anglers who want strong drag power, smooth operation, and added protection for freshwater and saltwater fishing. Number 1. Piscifun Flame 500 Spinning Reel. Color: red. Weight: 7 ounces. Category: lightweight spinning fishing reel. A lightweight spinning reel can make a big difference when you're carrying your gear around or fishing for hours, and the Piscifun Flame is designed with portability as one of its main priorities. This reel features a narrow, hollow graphite body and lightweight components, with a listed weight at just 7 ounces. That makes it an easy option to carry and pair with a lighter fishing setup. The red aluminum spool also gives the flame a distinctive appearance, especially alongside its matte black body and X-shaped spool design. Despite its compact build, the reel is rated for up to 19.8 pounds of maximum drag. It uses a reinforced metal main shaft, a precision-machined brass pinion gear, and triple drag washers to support a strong and consistent drag system. For smooth operation, the flame includes 9 ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing. The precision gear engagement is designed to provide a smooth retrieve, while the metal handle and EVA knob add a comfortable grip. One thing to keep in mind is that the 500 size is intended for lighter fishing applications, so it may not be the best fit for anglers targeting larger fish or needing a heavy-duty reel. Overall, the Piscifun Flame looks like a stylish, lightweight spinning reel for anglers who want easy portability, smooth operation, and useful drag power in a compact design.